You say free money for home upgrades in Florida? The My Safe Home Florida program offers up to $10,000 in hurricane protection, which includes impact windows and roofing. Wait, Florida's giving up to $10,000 in grant money to homeowners in Florida just to upgrade their homes? Yeah, and it's not a scam. It's called the My Safe Home Florida program. And if you're a homeowner in the Sunshine State, this is huge. The My Safe Home Florida program is grant money that basically hands over homeowners up to $10,000 in matching funds just for them to upgrade their home and make it more resistant to hurricanes. And just in case you're curious, it covers things such as impact doors, impact windows, roof upgrades, and any kind of storm protection upgrades in your home. So the way it works is you pay for part of the project and the state will match the funds dollar for dollar up to $10,000. So if you spend $5,000, the state will give you $5,000. If you spend $10,000, the state will also give you $10,000. So if you spend $10,000 in total, you would have to pay $5,000 out of pocket. The state would cover $5,000. That's $10,000 in funds for protection for your home. You want to find out if you qualify? 1, you have to own and live in a single family home. Number 2, you need to have a homestead exemption. 3, you have to live in a wind-borne zone, and really that's anywhere in Florida, or mostly anywhere. And number 4, you just have to complete a free wind mitigation that is part of the program. And once approved, you'll be able to hire a vetted contractor just like us to install products that meet Florida Building Code for hurricane protection. Not only are you upgrading safety, you're buying peace of mind, lower insurance premiums, energy efficiency, and protection year-round. But here's the thing, the program funding is limited, and last time they opened up the application period, funds went quickly. At Bigfoot Windows and Roofing, we'll take you through the entire process. We'll see if you qualify. We'll help schedule the inspection. We'll confirm that you're eligible and install all the upgrades stress-free and code compliant. Free money to protect your home? Yep, Florida's offering it. Now it's up to you to claim it.